In question 8, part A, make P the subject of 5P plus 7 equals M. Okay. P is the subject. Need to cancel or to remove this 7 from this side here. So we will move it the other side by negative value. So 5P equals M. 7 here will become here by negative 7. Okay, M minus 7. Then divide by 5 to cancel out this 5 here. So P equals M minus 7 over 5. Okay, M minus 7 over 5. And part 2 also need to make P the subject. Okay, y squared minus 2p squared equals h. So we will, okay, we can keep this minus 2p squared here in the left hand side. Okay, minus 2p squared equals this h here, and take this y squared here by negative value. Okay, h minus y squared, divide by minus 2, so p squared equals h minus y squared over minus 2. Okay, we need to remove this power 2 here, so we will take the square root of both sides. Okay, but be careful. Okay, when we take the square root of this right hand side, don't forget to put the positive or negative. Okay, so p equals plus or minus square root of h minus y squared over minus 2. Okay, in part B we have coordinates here, x and y axis. Okay, and 2 points A and B. Okay, write the vector OA as a column vector. Okay, OA. Okay, the point A, from O here we didn't move right or left, so the horizontal here is 0. Okay, and we go up by 5 units, so the vertical here will be 5. So this column vector of OA is 0 and 5. Okay, write vector AB as a column vector. AB from A to B, from A to B. A here is x is 0 and B is negative 3, so we go to the left 3 units. So here the horizontal here, right, negative 3. Okay, and the y was 5, it became 4. We go down by 1 unit. Go down by 1 unit means negative 1. Okay, so negative 3 and negative 1. In this part, A and B lie on a circle center O. Calculate the length of the arc AB. AB, okay, these 2 points here lie on a circle with center O, and need to calculate the length of the arc AB. We will assume that there is a circle here. Okay, try to draw it like that, but it will this because this diagram not to scale. Okay, we can't find this point on the arc. Okay, we can assume that it will be here. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Now we need to find the length of this arc AB here, okay, and this is the center of the circle, okay. To find out the arc, the length of this arc, we need to know two information, okay. The radius of the circle, and the radius of the circle is easy to find out here from here, because the distance from 0 to this point A is 5 units, so the radius here R equals 5, okay. And the other information we should know is the angle between AO and BO, okay. We can connect this side here, okay, try also to connect these 2 points, okay, A with B, because I want to construct a triangle, okay. Now this triangle here, BOA, is an isosceles triangle because OA and OB are ready, okay. It's also 5. Now to find out the measure of this angle here, we can use the cosine rule, but to use the cosine rule we need to know the distance between A and B. This side AB here, we want to know the distance, okay. We can use the formula of the distance between 2 points. A, B equals square root of, okay, the 2 points here is 0 and 5 and -3 and 4, okay. This 0 here is x1 and this 5 is y1, -3 is x2 and 4 is y2, okay. To find out the distance between A and B, okay, we can make x1 minus x2 all to power 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is 0 plus 3 all to power 2, plus y1 minus y2, 5 minus 4 also to power 2. This will be, okay, we can find it like that. 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 to power 2 is 9, okay. 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 squared is 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, so this will be root 10, okay. So this side here will be square root of 10, okay, length. Now we have 3 sides in a triangle. We can use the cosine rule to find this angle size, this angle here. So the measure of angle AOB equals cosine inverse of, okay, 5 squared plus 5 squared minus root 10 squared, okay. 5 squared plus 5 squared minus root 10 squared over 2 times 5 times 5, okay. In the calculator we will find this value here. Shift cosine of 5 squared, okay, plus 5 squared minus square root of 10, squared is 10, okay, over 2 times 5 times 5 and close the bracket. This equal 36.87. Okay, 36.87 degrees. Okay, so we know here the size of this angle, 36.87. Now to find the length of this arc, we will use formula of to find out the circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. Okay, so arc A B, okay, equals 2 times pi is 3.142 times r is 5, the radius, times the angle, okay, subtended by this arc, 36, we found it here, 36.87 over 360. Okay, to calculate this calculation here, we'll 2 times 3.142 times 5 times 36.87 over 360. This will be 3.217. Can write it round by two decimal places, will be 3.22. okay, 3.22. okay.